What is lucid dreaming? The goal of every dreamer should be learning how to control their dreams, to become the pilot in these fantastic flights of fancy, and that is essential what we are describing. The problem is that most people don't know how to have a lucid dream. The truth is, only about 30% of us experience this event, and even then only monthly. It is generally something that we stumble into accidentally when we suddenly realize that we are dreaming and find we can manipulate things in our dreams. Luckily, it is a skill you can learn. We all dream between 3 and 7 times per night. There are various cycles of sleep that we pass in and out of all night long. Okay, now how to have a lucid dream? So you are wondering how to lucid dream. If you are not one of the lucky 30% that already do this at least occasionally, you'll have to learn a technique. So please subscribe us and press the bell icon. Keep a record. If you have trouble recalling your dreams, keep a journal next to the bed and immediately record anything you remember upon waking. This trains your brain to be prepared to recall more details over time. If you recall nothing, write that down just to maintain the habit. Number 2. Create habits. While you're awake, stop periodically during the day and ask yourself if you're dreaming. And read a billboard, check the clock, or count your fingers. Then do it a second time. Nothing changed. However, it established a meaningless habit that will carry over into your dreams after some time and adaptation. The difference is that this is the ultimate tool for triggering lucid dream. When you are in your dream and you decide to count your fingers, you may find that the second time you count, you have 1 less or 3 extra, or their unusual color. If you look at the clock, it might be 1 time, but if you look away and back again, the time is entirely different. Reading a billboard may say one thing, but on second glance, it changed completely. These are called reality checks and reveal when you are dreaming, after which you can take control. You may be in your house and then suddenly you are at work, with no memory of having traveled the distance. This isn't right. You think to yourself, I must be dreaming. And yes, you are, but now you realize it. And you can change things. When reality starts to change, like cutscenes in a movie, it reveals that you are dreaming. Now you can simply decide to teleport to any location, such as the moon, and bounce around the surface, or to suddenly be back in a car on that vacation trip driving. Making it happen. For the 80% of non-solid dreamers, you have to cause a lucid dream. Once you get your first one, the rest will come easily. How to lucid dream is not difficult to learn, but it will take a little time and practice. At night before bedtime, create a little mantra such as I will dream lucidly tonight. As you are preparing to fall asleep, repeat it over and over, slowly and steadily, in time with your breathing. It could take days or even weeks to work, but the results are well worth the time and trivial effort to learn how to control your dreams.